This video is sponsored by Jacobs Vehicle Systems. Visit jacobsvehiclesystems.com for more information.
You don't have to thank me. You either die a hero or you live long enough to see yourself become a villain. I'm not a hero. I'm just a guy who cares an awful lot about taking care of wheel ends in the wintertime. That's what I can be. Because sometimes ignoring wheel end maintenance isn't good enough. Sometimes trucks deserve more. Sometimes trucks deserve to have their faith rewarded. Trucks mustn't lose hope. I am the Wheel End Knight. I am Wheel End Man. Truck drivers have a lot to watch out for when they're out on the roads in winter, so the right wheel end practices in the shop can help deliver peace of mind when it comes to their brakes. Safety systems like full stability and collision mitigation can be valuable on winter roads, but they only perform at their best when the brakes at the wheel ends are also in peak condition to deliver stopping power. The right preventative maintenance practices can make all the difference. You'll want to inspect air brake chamber housings for damage or corrosion and ensure that dust plugs are properly installed and seated. On air disc braked wheel ends, check for cuts or tears on the protective boots. What you're looking for here is anything that could allow corrosive materials to take hold. Not just water, but things like harsh chemicals used to treat winter roads. Excessive corrosion of the chamber can lead to failure of the housing, and ripped or punctured boots can allow contaminants and moisture to get into an air disc brake caliper, causing corrosion and long-term damage. Air disc brake guide pins should also be inspected for slidability, and the shear adapter cover needs to be in place and fully seated. Preparing air disc brakes for winter weather also means checking that the pads move freely in the carrier. If not, remove them and clean the carrier surface with a wire brush. Effective lubrication is key in combating winter corrosion, particularly when it comes to automatic slack adjusters, or ASAs. When you force a new lubricant into an ASA, you're achieving two goals. First, you're purging the old grease, along with any water or contaminants that found their way in. And second, you're protecting that adjuster's internal gear sets, clutches, and other components from wear. Lubricating an ASA is simple, requiring a technician to just locate the adjuster's grease fitting, attaching the hose from a grease gun, and inject new grease until old grease is forced through the release opening. The process should take less than a minute per adjuster. Slack adjusters that don't receive regular greasing may not maintain the correct brake stroke to provide optimal stopping power, a direct impact on safety. Clevis pin connections, cam tubes, shafts, and bushings should also be lubricated to keep winter moisture at bay and prevent corrosion. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.